Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it.
Where do you usually go on holiday? Where do you usually go on holiday?
I go to Saley. I go to Saley.
Do you prefer the beach or the mountains? Do you prefer the beach or the mountains?
I prefer the beach. I prefer the beach.
Have you ever traveled abroad? Have you ever traveled abroad?
No, not yet. No, not yet.
What's your favorite country? What's your favorite country?
Morocco. Morocco.
Do you like flying? Do you like flying?
Yes, it's exciting. Yes, it's exciting.
Do you travel by car or by plane? Do you travel by car or by plane?
By car. By car.
Where did you go last holiday? Where did you go last holiday?
I went to St. Louis. I went to St. Louis.
Who do you travel with? Who do you travel with?
With my family. With my family.
How long are your holidays? How long are your holidays?
2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Do you like camping? Do you like camping?
Not really. Not really.
Do you take photos when you travel? Do you take photos when you travel?
Yes, many. Yes, many.
Do you buy souvenirs? Do you buy souvenirs?
Yes, for my friends. Yes, for my friends.
Do you visit museums? Do you visit museums?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Do you like trying new food? Do you like trying new food?
Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it.
Do you speak English when you travel? Do you speak English when you travel?
Yes. To practice. Yes. To practice.
Have you ever visited France? Have you ever visited France?
No, but I want to. No, but I want to.
What's your dream destination? What's your dream destination?
Dubai. Dubai.
Do you like road trips? Do you like road trips?
Yes, they're fun. Yes, they're fun.
What do you pack for holidays? What do you pack for holidays?
Clothes, shoes, and my phone. Clothes, shoes, and my phone.
Do you swim when on holiday? Do you swim when on holiday?
Yes. Every day. Yes. Every day.
Do you take the train? Do you take the train?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Do you like staying in hotels? Do you like staying in hotels?
Yes. If they are clean. Yes. If they are clean.
Do you prefer short or long holidays? Do you prefer short or long holidays?
Long holidays. Long holidays.
Do you travel during summer? Do you travel during summer?
Yes. Every August. Yes. Every August.
Have you ever been to an island? Have you ever been to an island?
Yes. Gorey Island. Yes. Gorey Island.
Do you go to the airport alone? Do you go to the airport alone?
No. With my brother. No. With my brother.
What do you do on holidays? What do you do on holidays?
I relax and visit places. I relax and visit places.
Do you travel with your family? Do you travel with your family?
Yes, always. Yes, always.
Do you like traveling by bus? Do you like traveling by bus?
Yes, it's cheap. Yes, it's cheap.